So I am drawing now free bending moment. So diagram I am saying M1. What is M1? WL square by 8. This is WL square by 8. That is 40 into 4 square by 8. That is 80 kilonewton meter. M2 also same. Why M2 is same? Because here also 40, here also 40, 4 meter, 4 meter. So M2 also same. Then we'll go for M3. M3 UDL. So WL square by 8, 20 into 4 square by 8, that we got as 40 kilonewton meter. Then I'll draw the here bending moment, free bending moment diagram. So this is 80. This is also 80. Then this is 40. 40, 80, 80. And what is our second step? Second step is moment of areas. Moment of areas. What is the first span? I should take it here. AB and BC. AB and BC. Understood? AB and BC. So what is A1 x1? A1 x1 is equal to, because this is parabola, so 2 by 3 into 80 into 4. Centroid is 4 by 2. Centroid is 4 by 2. So 426.67. A2 x2 also same, because same parabola, everything is same. So 2 by 3, 80 into 4 into 4 by 2, 4 by 2, that is 426.67. So I got AB and BC. Then I'll go to now AB, BC over. Then I'll go to BC and CD. BC and CD. There is no fixed support here. There is no fixed support here. There is no need to go for a dummy span. So therefore, what I'll do now here? AB and BC over BC and CD. Okay, BC and CD I'll take it. BC and CD same. A2 x2 is same as it is, because it is symmetric. I'll go to A3 x3, that is also parabola, 2 by 3, 40 into 4 into 4 by 2. Okay, so 2 by 3, that is 40. Okay, 40 into 4 into 4 by 2, right? So I got here 213.33. Understood? Then we'll go to now third step, theorem of three moments. Theorem of three moments equations I am writing. Theorem of three moments equation I am writing. So what I'll write it first, span, I'll draw the span here. AB and BC span I am drawing now. First I'll draw the AB and BC span. A, B, C. What is saying? B sinks by 2.5. So B sinks by 2.5 mm. That is 2.5 divided by 1000 meter. Okay, AB and BC. AB and BC. So similarly, you can calculate EI also. EI is equal to, how much he has given? 2 into 10 to the power of 4 kilonewton per centimeter square. I how much given? 15,000 given. 15,000 centimeter to the power of 4. If I do the calculation here, centimeter cancel centimeter square. Okay, so 2 into 15, 2 into 15, how much? 30. How much I'll get here? 30. I'll write it here. 30. 2 into 15, 30. 1, 2, 3 plus 4, 7. So 10 to the power of 7 kilonewton centimeter square I am writing. Centimeter square. So 1 centimeter is equal to, you know it, 1 by 100 meter. Why? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 1 centimeter square is equal to, if I take up, what will happen here? 10 power minus 2. Am I right? So 10 power minus 2 whole square meter square. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100. That is 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 1 centimeter square. So I am making square here. So what will get here? 10 to the power of minus 4. So if I want to convert into meter, if I want to convert this into meter, so I should write 10 to the power of minus 2 whole square meter square. So 10 power minus 4, 10 power 7 only, no? Okay. So 30 into 10 to the power of 3 kilonewton meter square. So you remember, you should substitute EI is equal to this one. Then AB and BC span I am taking now. What is the formula? MA L1 2MB L1 plus L2 plus MC L2 is equal to 6 into A1 X1 by L1 plus A2 X2 by L2. Because deformation is there now, I should take 6 EI delta 1 by L1 plus delta 2 by L2. This I am taking extra here because thinking of support is there. That's why I am taking 6A delta 1 by L1 delta 2 by L2. MA is 0. Why I am taking MA as 0? MA as 0. I told it here. You want to take this end and this end. Both ends, if it is not fixed, if the roller support, hinge support, moment is 0. So A and D will become 0. So A 0 I have taken. Then I'll come to 2MB L1. All L1, L2, L3 all are 4 only. Then MC into 4 is equal to 6 into A1 X1. A1 X1 is how much? 426. 426.67 by 4. This is also 426.67 by 4. Then plus 6 into 30 into 10 to the power of 3. And I am taking delta here. Please concentrate, all of you. So now I am discussing now delta 1. See, I am taking spans A, B and BC. So I want to take from A, then I want to take from C. Please keep in mind, all of you. A, B and BC I am seeing. So I want to take from A, then I want to take from C. Downward is negative, upward is positive. So from A to B, how I am coming? Negative. Downward, now negative I am taking. So therefore, minus 2.5 divided by 1000, because I am converting into meter. What is L square? 4 square. Then plus, again I want to see from C. Please concentrate, all of you. From C again downward, so negative. So minus 2.5 divided by 1000. I'll take it out. So again here minus 2.5 divided by 1000 by 4 square. Okay. Now if I do the calculation here, all the calculations if I am doing, so I'll get an equation 16 MB plus 4 MC is equal to 1055. Equation number 1 I will take it. I'll come to BC and CD. BC and CD. BC and CD, you can write the equation MB L2 2MC L2 plus L3, then MD L3 is equal to 6 A2X2 by L2 plus A3X3 by L3 plus 6EI delta 2 by L2 delta 3 by L3. Then what will happen? Here MD will become 0 because it is support at the last. Then MB into 4 plus 2MC 4 plus 4 is equal to 6 into A2X2. How much? 426.67 by 4 plus 213.33 by 4, then plus 6 into 30 into 10 power 3, then write delta. See, now I am taking now. I should go for now B, C, D. Now B is how much sinking here? 2.5 mm. There is no sinking here. They had not mentioned any sinking there. So BC and CD, I should take it now. BC, I want to, BC and CD means I want to take from B, I want to take from D. So B to C, how I am going? Upward. Upward means positive. So 2.5 divided by 1000. 1000 I am taking because of converting into meter, mm into meter. So now C to D, I want to come from D to C. D to C, there is no sinking. There is no sinking. Therefore, it is 0. So if I go for calculation part, 4 MB plus 16. Okay. 16 MC is equal to 2032.5. This is equation number 2. Solving 1 and 2, you will get MB is equal to 36.46 kilonewton meter. Then MC is equal to 117.92 kilonewton meter. If I draw the shear force bending moment diagram, so 36 I will take it, 117 I will take it. So 36 here, MA 0, okay, MA 0, MB 36.46, then MC is 117. So somewhere here 117.92. So 0 to 36.46 inclined line only is 117. Again here MD is how much? 0. So this is positive, this is negative, this is positive, this is negative, this is positive. So this is your bending moment diagram. So whenever the sinking is there, whenever sinking of support